In this video, I'll walk you through how to test your Kiwi Return Saver banner before launching a campaign. It's a quick check to make sure everything looks good and works the way you want, so customers get the right experience when they land on your product pages. Let's get started. From the Kiwi Return Saver dashboard, go ahead and click on Discount Campaigns. Then open the campaign you want to test. Before jumping into the preview, make sure a few key things are set up. Ensure the campaign is active, at least one product is added to it, and that the app embed is turned on in your live Shopify theme. To double-check the app embed, go to your Shopify admin. Click Online Store, and then click Customize on your live theme. In the theme editor, open the App Embeds tab on the left, and make sure Kiwi returns are toggled on. Then click Save in the top right corner. Now you're ready to preview. Open a product that's part of your campaign. You should see the Return Saver badge and checkbox exactly as you set it up. Click the little eye icon to bring up the info message, and just make sure the text looks right. Then walk through the flow like a customer. Select the checkbox to opt in either on the product page or on the cart drawer. Then head to checkout and confirm that the discount is applied. You can also try this in an incognito window or on mobile to double-check how it looks across different devices. If everything looks good, you're ready to go live. And that's how you test your Kiwi Return Saver banner before launching a campaign. If you run into any issues or need a hand, our support team is always here to help. Thanks for watching.